Okay, this is my MERN website that I created with a group. This is just the main page. I'll quickly show you this. All this data is loaded from MongoDB, so we'll go in there and start there. So the cluster is called Fridgeling cluster. If we go to the database, the IPs that connect are currently set to allow anything, as you can see here. You can also add your own IP, but I've just set it like that because it's only a test database. Collection wise, you don't require SQL for this. It's just obviously like users with their IDs, the hashed passwords, a bit of data about them. That's empty. This one's got random items in, like ice cream, onion, pineapple, whatever. There's also notifications for the head chefs. There's also health reports from the reporting officer. Okay, so if we come to the actual thing, if we log out and we start at the beginning, okay, you can sign up, you can log in. This is made for 1080p, I think. Yeah. I don't know what's going on with the styling. It used to work. Right, so first things first, we sign up with something. Testing user. Like, when we make a password, just put tests. Let's make it a delivery driver. That's the one. Oh yeah, the password needs to be a set amount. Test one hashtag. Okay, so then you have to wait for head chef. So if we log in with the head chef properly, created earlier. That you can see. Here we go. Which one was it? I think it was this one. Testing user 11. If we accept that. If we quickly for making all of these, we keep both of them open. Let's log out. And let's log in with the one we just signed up with, which was testing user 11. So let's test like that. Okay, so on the left we've got the admin, and on the right we've got testing user. We can see up here. If we just minimize this for now. So you go open and close the fridge door, whatever. You can add stock, which you can add to the database. So I don't know, or we can only add 5 of them. They expire then, and they're supplied by pairs. Hopefully. Then if we go to MongoDB, go to stock items, pair. There you go, prickly pear. Right there. It's been added successfully. So that's all the drivers can do. They can't remove anything. You can see on the left their options. So that's the driver, so we can sign all that. So that's driver done. There's other options such as health and safety officer and chef, so they can do different stuff. Head chef can do it all. They get notifications every couple of days automatically based on the date and time. They get a few options here. They can obviously add users here. They can open and close the door. They can refresh the current stock. They get prickly pear. They can add stock. They can remove stock here below the number. I don't know why that's one. Not 0. You can see the health and safety report. So you can see all the items that are expired, and it'll create a report. They can also change passes of users, change their roles, remove users. And there's obviously just options being loaded. But basically, most of this is created from this. So if we close all these real quick. So if we minimize these, so we've got the client and the server here. The client obviously has assets here, and you've got your components for your pages. So it's basically one main page, and then the components fit into that. And depending on the user, if they have the right permissions, it loads the bit of the page. So if we go off here, and we go to actual pages, go to home. So here we go. So this will load the component if they have access. So this is the requirements here. So as a head share, if you get access to this, or if they've got the chef tile, they also get access to this, stuff like that. So that loads the components. We've got hooks here. So for the authentication, obviously for the login and log out, all that kind of stuff. Confirmation page for signing and everything like that. This is the main app.js file. It has the router, pointing the routers here, the different sections. And then if we come to the server, we've got the controllers, and then we'll add the models and the roots here. So the roots are basically how you get to certain parts. So to be able to post and create a report, you have to be able to get to this. To be able to get to that, you need to go through another route. I can't remember which one's which. But yeah, as you can see, if you want to post anything, it takes you to these URLs and then runs this function. So if I click on this, it takes you to the controller that does the method. So this one signs you up, creates a token, asks for a response in JSON to the MongoDB. That's all that kind of stuff. Deleting, exploiting the models. The middleware is just for authenticating with JWT, which is the token used to sort the passwords. The rest of it's pretty simple, it's basic routing. Apart from that, obviously all the packages are listed. I need to sort out Docker at some point to be able to just download it easily. Otherwise, you've got to follow the README txt. So just download the repository, open it up. You want to open up a new terminal, and you want to run these commands. And you open up another new terminal and run those commands. It should work. I'm not sure if the database will be working or not when you do it. But apart from that, it's pretty simple. Thank you for having a look. That is my MERN stack basic website. Thank you.